name is Miracle Craft. I'm a senior psychology major at Wayne State. Today, I'm taking over the CLAS Instagram while I volunteer here at Brain Day. Come with me. Brain Day is a community event hosted at the Michigan Science Center where scientists, researchers, and students come together to teach kids and families in our overall community about how the brain works through hands-on activities and demonstrations. In our lab, we study threat processing and emotions during adolescence, and we use tools like fMRI brain scans to look at how early life experiences shape mental health. Events like Brain Day help make neuroscience more accessible and share open science to our community. Events like this inspire the next generation of scientists.
Hi, Miracle.
Tell us a little bit about what you do in the lab.
So in the lab, initially I joined the lab because I was working under Dr. Gasser to work on my honors thesis project. After that, I just kind of been attending conferences and just helping around the lab with any other experiments and lab activities they have going on. Right now I'm at Brain Day, and this is our table. The ladies will explain it more, but this is me. Nice to meet you guys.
I'm here with our lab manager, Hey Ijala.
Hi everyone, my name is Ijala. I'm the lab manager, and I basically make sure everything is running properly and everybody's doing all the things that we need to do to make our work amazing.
Hey y'all, I'm here with our principal investigator, Dr. Lana Ravolo-Grasser. Hi Lana.
Hey Miracle, hey everyone.
Can you tell me a little bit about why Brain Day is important to you?
Oh yes, I love this event because we all here love science and we share that with one another. And this is such a wonderful opportunity for us to help science come to life in the eyes of children and in their families, and see that shared love that we all have for discovery and curiosity. And that's really what we cultivate here at Brain Day.
Awesome. Thank you, Lana. I want to talk about one of the research tables here. I find it so interesting. Tell me more about your table.
Hi guys. Hi, I'm Katie. We have miracle berries here at our table. Miracle berries are very special because what they do is they take everything that tastes sour and they transform it and trick your brain and make it taste sweet. So a lemon that's normally sour is going to taste sweet after you try a miracle berry. That's the fun part for me. I love the lemons, I love the Sour Patch Kids, and they all taste sweet.
Wow, that's really cool, Katie. Thank you.
Thank you.
I have the founder of NeuroCamp with me to tell you a little bit about it. Hey, Sydney.
Hey Miracle, thank you so much for including me.
Of course. Tell me a little bit about NeuroCamp.
Yeah, so NeuroCamp is an outreach organization where we are doing activity-based neuroscience curriculum with the Detroit schools. So we're trying to bring neuroscience and get kids excited about the study of the brain.
That's awesome. Tell me a little bit about your table. How are you getting them excited?
Yeah, so today we're making candy neurons. So no matter if you're 5 years old to 15 years old, we can cater it to you because who doesn't love sweet treats? And we're teaching kids about the structure and function of neurons.
That's awesome. Thank you, Sid.